Squarespace and Webflow, two giants in the world of website building, going head to head. Which one really delivers? On one side, Squarespace, the all-in-one platform known for its beautiful templates. On the other, Webflow, the designer's powerhouse with advanced customization. We'll dive into essential areas like design flexibility, ease of use, pricing, features, and support to see how they stack up in real-life scenarios. Let's cut through the hype and focus on what actually matters for creators and businesses. Each category will earn points, and by the end, you'll have a clear winner. And trust me, the outcome might surprise you. Let's get into it. So we're going to look at a bunch of categories. Pricing, design flexibility, ease of use, CMS and integrations, SEO and marketing tools, e-commerce features, and yeah, developer stuff. That's a lot to cover, but stick with me, we'll go step by step. First up, pricing. Honestly, Squarespace keeps things super simple. One price, all the core features, and you get a free trial to play with. No hidden traps. I mean, there's no forever free plan, which is kind of a bummer, but fair enough. Webflow though, it actually has a solid free plan, so if you just want to experiment, that's pretty great. But once you want to go big, the costs start stacking, and you gotta pay separately for hosting and CMS, which can add up real fast. So if you want straightforward pricing, I'd lean Squarespace here. Now, design flexibility. Oh man, this is where Webflow goes hard. You basically get pixel level control. You want to change that one tiny detail you can. You can even throw in your own code, so it's kinda wild. Downside? There's definitely a steeper learning curve, like you'll scratch your head at first. Squarespace though is all about gorgeous templates and a drag and drop editor you can't mess up. But you get what you get. If you want to color outside the lines, you'll quickly hit limits. For tinkerers and designers, Webflow wins hands down. Ease of use is, honestly, where Squarespace shines brightest. You hop in, drag stuff around, it just works. No coding. It's what you want if you don't want the headache, you know? On the other hand, Webflow, oh, it's powerful, alright, maybe even scary powerful. But the interface is packed, and until you get the hang of it, it feels like you're piloting a spaceship. Great if you're a designer. Not so great if you just want things done. Super easy. That one I'm giving to Squarespace. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Squarespace actually started as a dorm room project back in 2003? Wild how it's become a website giant now? Let's talk CMS and integrations. Squarespace gives you a built-in blogging suite and e-commerce, so you can launch and go. But if you want elaborate content structures, it's pretty basic. Webflow, by contrast, is a playground for the content-obsessed. You can create custom content types, tap into their API, the works. Downside, it'll take some setup wizardry. So if you need sophisticated CMS features, Webflow's the way to go. Alright, SEO and marketing. Both actually do this well, just in different ways. Squarespace? Super solid built-in SEO. Plus, email and newsletter stuff right out of the box. But you can't dive deep into the advanced geeky SEO tricks. Webflow lets you go completely custom, meta tags, open graph, schema. If you know what all that means, you'll love it. But it's more manual work. Honestly, it's a tie here. E-commerce. Squarespace nails simplicity, like you get everything. Carts, checkout, shipping, inventory. It's all ready. Maybe not the best if you want a giant online empire, but for most of us, it's turnkey. Webflow lets you build seriously customized stores, if you're comfortable with code. If not, things can get complicated, fast. So for 99% of people, Squarespace is the safer bet. Developer features. Here, there's no contest. Webflow is a playground for anyone who loves code. Absolute freedom custom HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even CMS API access. But if the word APIs makes you sweat, you'll hate it. Squarespace is more low-code. You get a nice environment, but you can't really hack it up. Clear win for Webflow on this front. Let's zoom out and look at all the scores side by side. You'll notice Squarespace dominates on ease of use, pricing, and quick e-commerce. But Webflow heavily scores in flexibility, CMS power, and developer features. Where you fall on this chart probably depends on how much tinkering you want to do. So here's my real talk. If you want a gorgeous, functional site without pulling your hair out, Squarespace is where it's at. It just makes life easy. But if you're the type who wants to customize everything, dig into advanced features, and isn't scared to get technical, Webflow's your dream come true. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next break.